We're going to be doing a cabin air filter in a 2011 Volvo S40. We have all the Torx screws here. So that's pretty much all we're going to need to undo a Torx bolt and get to the air filter to just switch it out. Yes, that is our Harry Potter Lego set, Hogwarts. About a quarter of the way done. All right, so we're in the Volvo. We're down by the driver's seat. There was there's gonna be like a plastic thing like this over the carpet. You're gonna pull it out, put the carpet behind the throttle pedal, and then there's gonna be this plastic piece right there. Oh. There's gonna be a plastic piece right there, and it comes right out after you take out like a little hand spin nut, and then the filter's gonna be in there, so I'll grab it with my hands and pull it out. All right guys, the new cabin air filter is in. That's the little tack that holds in the carpet where you can undo it and get into the cabin air filter. Literally just pop it off with a flat head, at least for the 2011 version. Other versions will have a Torx screw. I also popped the hood and I sprayed some air freshener down the vent and down the inside vents. And now it doesn't smell like smoke anymore and it smells real fresh and clean. All right guys, see you on the next video.